Hi everyone, welcome to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to increase Snapchat score. For that, open the Snapchat application and then you need to get logged in. Once you have been logged in into this Snapchat, let me provide you with the information that will increase your Snapchat score. Your Snap score increases by 1 point for every snap that you send. So make sure that you are snapping your friends on a regular part of your day on daily basis. If you do not use Snapchat for a few days, your Snap scroll will start to decrease. So make sure that you are sending and also receiving text snaps from your friends on Snapchat. The Snapchat score will only increase by sending photos and videos. The text message that has been exchanged through the Snapchat chat section will not count on scoring the score. Hope this information was useful on how to increase Snapchat score. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.